What's the word, cuz? I'm finna go to word, y'all. So, I just got done watching this video, man, on YouTube by J Hood on some shit like that. He was basically just explaining that, they pretty much giving life sentences to, motherfuckers for little reasons like attempted burglary, right? And shit. And that most definitely shines some light on just how fucked up this motherfucking system is. Like, it's crazy. Shit, they can give motherfuckers they can give motherfuckers a life sentence for attempted burglary, right? Think about everything that they using towards our people, and I'm gonna say our people, black people, African Americans. They want to do everything that they can to try to throw us under the motherfucking table, to try to throw us under the motherfucking concrete. But when these same corrupt ass politicians and when these same fucked up ass systems and shit like that, when their people get involved in bullshit and when their people get involved in all the fucked up conspiracies and shit like that that's going on towards the public, they defend them. They'll treat a black man who got gang ties like a criminal, but they won't treat the motherfucking area manager or the property manager or the regional manager with that same code, right? It's fucked up, and it's right now I don't even know how to explain it because I'm actually just upset. Shit, because this system that we live in, man, is so fucking false. It's so false. If they can treat you and your game like a basketball team, then under that same statute, they should treat everyone else in these corrupt ass positions like a basketball team. It goes for your job as well, right? Shit, your jobs in these companies and shit, they have logos, they have all type of shit. Yet when they do something wrong, right, they wanna defend, they wanna cover up their tracks and shit like that. But when it comes to our people and just individual gangs and shit, they don't give no fuck about that. They'll throw the whole book at you. And lately, I've been feeling like that the system been wanting me to get out of my body on some shit like that. That's why I'm glad I saw that video with J Hood on some shit like that. Simply just saying, man, that they'll give you life for anything. Like, the goal of this whole fucking system is to try to have you crash the fuck out. That's the goal. Like, you're better off being homeless than crashing out. That's all the real. You better off being homeless than crashing out. Because the one thing they want to do is take your motherfucking freedom away. And right now, I ain't been working for a couple months and shit, and I've been feeling like a nigga been in jail shit myself, but I could only imagine how it feels for J Hood. I can only imagine how it feels for all these motherfuckers doing life sentences for little bitty ass shit. And I'm only 23. This is the perfect, to them, this is the perfect time for me to go to jail. This is the perfect time. This is the perfect time for them to send my ass to jail. This is the perfect time for them to make an example out of me. But I don't do that shit. And I refuse to do it. I got so many fucking books around this motherfucker that I can only tell the whole reason why they terminated me from my job and trying to put me in this fucked up ass position is because they want me to crash out because they know I'm the chosen one out here. They know that shit. But shit, niggas, fuck this whole system because they treat our people completely like shit. But when they people do it, when people in these corrupt ass systems and shit like that do that same thing, they don't give no fuck. So you know what? I don't give no fuck if this whole fucking country burned down on my fucking mama, because I've been trying to be politically correct when I'm coming on this YouTube channel. But now, nigga, I'm like Kendrick Lamar. At first I was plural, but now At first, I just said, at first it was fuck one person, but now I'm being plural, nigga. It's fuck everybody, nigga. Fuck the whole country, nigga. On my mama. Shit, this world going through all type of catastrophic shit, nigga. You got fucking mansions and shit burning up in Malibu, California, and all type of shit, nigga. Fuck them houses, nigga. Fuck this whole system, nigga. Nigga, fuck everything, nigga. On my mama, nigga. Fuck everything that's not of the Most High, that's not of righteousness, because they can throw the whole book at us on some shit like that for a little bitty ass shit, but these motherfuckers can do everything that they want to. They can do anything that they want to, or they think they can do anything that they want to until that fucking judgment come. We in the whole year 9 right now. Nigga, judgment is most definitely coming to this whole fucked up ass system, to this whole fucked up ass corporation. It is. And I don't give no fucks how many people gotta die. Y'all bitch ass niggas not taking me to jail. I don't give a fuck. Y'all not finna Rashad Jamal me, nigga. Y'all not finna. Please. I ain't spending not another fucking day in jail. I be damned if they take my freedom. But this materialistic ass shit that motherfuckers give a fuck about, that actually get them up in jail, nigga, y'all can have that shit, because that's the fucking system, nigga. They use so much shit. They use so many things, man. They done lied to us for so many motherfucking years, man, for us to basically crucify our damn selves. But when you stop giving a fuck about this whole system, man, when people stop giving a fuck, then only can they stop giving people life sentences for little bitty ass shit. When motherfuckers stop working completely and saying, you know what, fuck working, fuck the system, then only can motherfuckers really get the freedom that they want to. As long as we continue to operate within the constrictions of this bullshit ass system, they can hold us to the system and hold us against the system. The same system that we live in, the same rules, the same fucking laws and shit that just regular civilians break, companies break all the fucking time, but they know how to get through certain areas. They know how to get through. They got loopholes in this shit. And we know this shit. Why you think everybody want fucking power in this corrupt ass system? If the system is corrupt, why do everybody want power? Why do people just not want to be a part of the system? Yet motherfuckers just want power. They just want to just be on top of another motherfucker, rather than saying, you know what, fuck the system, fuck all these rules, laws, and wait. I don't even know the fucking word, because they be making up shit all the fucking time. I think it's regular. I forgot the fucking word. Shit. Nigga, I put that on my motherfucking kids. Every ounce of fucking rage and energy that is built up from any individual out here, nigga, it's not going back to them, nigga. It's going to this whole fucking system, because the system is what's making motherfuckers act and do what we're doing. We're doing a whole bunch of shit unconsciously, and we don't even fucking know it. We don't even know it, because they're using so much energy manipulation against us. All these motherfucking spells and all these motherfucking, all the witchcraft and shit that's out there, nigga. These systems is what's fucking using it. Why the fuck you think the houses are the fucking colors that they are? Why do you think that the houses are the structures that they are? Why do you think that certain cities and shit have different energies and X, Y, and Z? Nigga, it is not the people, it is the city and the infrastructure within the city that's fucking us up. Like, people don't understand this shit. So that's why it's like, fuck the whole system. People gotta realize that you cannot play in the game basketball but not be held against the rules, right? You cannot play football and not be told, oh, you can't do that in football. We get taught in basketball all the time, oh, you can't, you can't what, triple dribble, right? They call that like a they call that what? They call that like a double or something like that. I don't even really play basketball, but in basketball, you can't play a certain way in the game and people not call you out on that and say, oh, he gotta be, he gotta have a foul. Every single time you see basketball players and shit like that, going against the rules and shit like that, then you always have a select group of motherfuckers that get mad. But this is because everyone is playing in the same fucking game, which the rules were created by they ass. So it's like we can't play in the fucking game and then feel like that we can't be, you know, held responsible for breaking the motherfucking rules. This is why I don't play that fucking game. I don't play that game with fucking nobody. So I'm playing my own entire fucking game. Simple as that. I'm playing my own game. Shit, y'all cannot control me. The fuck. See what they want to do. They want to have you play the game so much that you get confused and that you forget that it's still somebody out here that's fucking watching you play the game. No matter how you play the game, you can play the game financially, you can play the game emotionally, mentally, spiritually. Guess what? All these games and shit, they got somebody that's still watching this shit. So this is why you have to just simply just be you and just be authentic to your goddamn self and do what you want, right? But remember, since there are laws and shit like that that's placed upon us, we cannot just do things just outside of ourselves, like just act humane and shit. These are laws. And these are the 42 laws of my art right here. Y'all can use whatever fucking laws that y'all want to use, but just know it's always laws and shit like that that's out here. On some real ass shit, man. Let me burn some motherfucking sage, man. I swear this whole system got me out my fucking body, nigga. I swear to God. Nigga, it's fucked this whole goddamn system, nigga. It's fucked the whole matrix, nigga. It's fuck y'all law system. Fuck y'all financial system. Fuck y'all housing infrastructures, nigga. Fuck everything that this bitch ass system stand for, and that's on my fucking kids. I swear to God, I will fucking completely live off grid before I do some shit the exact way that they bitch ass want me to do it. Fuck you mean? Y'all think I'm living in the system because I got a crib, nigga? I ain't paid rent in 4 months. Fuck you mean? I'm still living in the system, just not on their fucking terms. Because like I said a couple months ago, yeah, just because, I ain't got a job, who who the fuck do y'all think gonna pay my rent? Like, y'all think a job is gonna pay my rent? Fuck no, nigga. The Most High is going to pay my shit, nigga, and keep me somewhere. Fuck you mean? Because guess what? The spiritual plane really has power and it governs every fucking plane up under there. Whether it's the mental plane, emotional plane, physical plane, nigga, the spiritual plane governs all that. So if you are spiritually just that nigga, then guess what? Everything up under there just gonna fall through for you. Everything up under that just gonna happen for you. But who the fuck you think Jesus was? Nigga, Jesus was such on a high spiritual plane that he could have anything he want on any other plane below him, nigga. Fuck you mean? He could have been rich, nigga. He could have had everything emotionally fulfilled. He could have had everything, man. What the fuck you mean? He was apex spiritually. So everything that fell up under that nigga, he just could have. And I'm in that same fucking situation, nigga. Fuck you, man. I'm not playing by they fucking rules no more. Because the same shit that they lock us up for and whatever like that, they get away with doing that shit every fucking day. Every goddamn day. Shit, I call righteous judgment on this whole system. I call righteous judgment on the entire company of McCormick, Barron, Salazar. I call righteous judgment on the entire company, McCormick, Barron, Salazar. I call righteous judgment upon the entire company, McCormick, Barron, Salazar. Fuck you mean? Because they got us fucked up. They most, shit, they don't gotta have y'all fucked up. If y'all still, maneuvering through this, through this system, caring about what the fuck they care about, then that's just y'all. But me, nigga, I'm gonna be on a whole different fucking plane of fucking existence right now. Because I'm not playing by they fucking rules, so guess what? They can never hold me against any of they fucking laws. Because I serve the highest law, nigga. And if you ain't breaking those, then you ain't breaking shit up under that. Fuck you mean? Shit crazy. Got me fucked up out here. My crystals charging. Man, look at that little stream of light. That's still right there. It's all shade around it, but you see the light up on the crystals, man. For real, fuck this whole system. And that's on my motherfucking mama because I just realized something. They can take everything away from you. They can take everything away from you. But if you got everything spiritually, then you are already rich. And I'm finally realizing that because the spirit plane governs everything up under that. So you are essentially already rich if you are rich in the spirit. If you are rich in soul, then it is nothing that they can really take away from you. Because you always gonna have it. Like for real, that straight got me on my straight Ogun energy. That straight got me tapped in with Ogun right now. Nigga, I'm burning Dragon Sage, nigga, wearing all fucking red, nigga, cause it's like that with y'all ass. And I don't even try to put this on. I just did it, nigga. But nigga, it's fuck this whole system that we live in. I don't give a fuck, nigga. It's everything. Because they playing the same game as us. Supposedly, right? But they got all fucking loopholes in this shit. They got all fucking different ties and shit like that. They got fucking gatekeepers all through this shit. But they want us to play the game fair. They want us to play on the same playing field as them. Y'all playing on a whole different playing field than us. Fuck you mean? Why the fuck y'all think that they made all them movies about, the sports teams, that were, or like you say like this. They made different movies about just different, teams, basketball teams and shit like that, football teams, Coach Carter and whatever like that, right? Where these different teams are always fighting through some shit, right? To try to be that biggest team, right? But they always realize that the team that they going against already had all the accolades and this and that and X, Y, and Z, so they gotta work extra harder, right? That's the same thing that's going on in real fucking life. Nigga, it's teams out here. Yes, you have spiritual team A and B, mental team A and B, emotional team A and B, physical plane A and B, nigga. Shit, because it's duality in every single thing. But nigga, it's fuck this whole system. That's on my straight fucking mama. Nigga, you don't see this on my fucking back, nigga. 144, nigga, yes. I'm coming through all that energy. I'm just not finna play y'all fucking game. I'm finna continue to speak this real shit so whoever come across this shit can hear it. And realize that y'all don't have to keep playing they shit. You just have to realize that you're in it. You have to just realize that you are in it. And once you realize you're in the game, you gotta be like, you know what, fuck this. I'm out. They unfair like a motherfucker, but they expect us to just be, nah, I ain't gonna be unfair to you. I'm just not gonna play your game. I want to continue to be fair, but just not in this game. So it's fuck y'all game. Simple as that. Shit, I'm real deal, like kind of, you know, shit, all week I ain't get out my body. All week. But once I just heard word back from they ass, from the system that I'm trying to desperately be up in, once I heard back from they ass, I realized everything. Like, bro, I was in the system. My emotions was there. Now let me get out this system and say fuck y'all. If it was a day that we were supposed to wake up and get the fuck out this system, I would have expected it to be today. You wanna know why? Because it's January 8th. 1 plus 8 is 9. Then that's followed by 2025, which is also a 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. Okay? 1 plus 8 is 9. So the day is 9, nigga. What does 9 stand for? Completion, judgment, humanitarianism. That's like fairness. What else? Selflessness. This is what the year 9 stands for, nigga. 9 today, nigga, is like one of the apexes. Man, I don't even know what else I even got to say. I feel like I done said everything. Because if I keep talking, I'm just gonna continue to keep saying, fuck this system. With hopes that whoever watching this video can be like, damn, let me stop playing this game real quick. You can stop playing a game spiritually when you stop believing in the same spirituality that everybody else believes in, aka religion. You can stop playing mentally. You can stop playing mentally when you stop putting a mental barrier on yourself, right? And that can do with anything where you're mentally just identifying yourself as what the system wants you to be identified as, aka stereotypes. You can do whatever the fuck you want to mentally, breaking barriers and shit like that. You can stop playing the game by that. Physically, you can stop playing the game physically by stop caring about what everybody else got in this physical ass reality. When you start just really just doing you and just being your authentic self physically, when you stop comparing in this physical ass reality, then only can you stop playing a game. Stop playing a fucking game. Fuck y'all game. And that's just how I feel about this shit. Cause if this shit is life, then I'm on a whole other spectrum than what y'all consider life, nigga. Simple. Shit, y'all be at peace, college family, man. I say.